sorry, guys. I'm sorry for that disconnection. I'm really sorry, guys, for that disconnection. I'm really sorry. Yeah. So, sorry for that disconnection. I apologize. Yeah, it was a technical fault. Yeah, that broke the transmission. So, thank you, Inya Oiza. I have taken quite a lot of fluid this morning. I do encourage myself taking almost a liter of water when I wake up. And I don't joke with my coffee. I'm addicted to taking coffee. So I've had my coffee and a lot of water around 6 a.m. I'm an early riser. So when I wake up like that, I first go on my 1 liter of water. And I make sure that I take my coffee regardless of where I am. You need to see the way I jump into all this Costa, Bugwe shop, grabbing a cup of coffee. I'm getting addicted to coffee and I need to cut it off. Caffeinated one, not decaf. So people have been encouraging me to go on decaf. So hopefully I'll be able to go on decaf soon. As I'm growing older, people say I need to cut off all those caffeinated drink. You know, tea, coffee. I drink coffee a lot. And when I go to people's houses and I can't take my coffee, like 3-4 cups, within the first 20 minutes, I'll be feeling so bad, like you are whipping me. Yeah, I'm a coffee addict. And I'm trying to beat it. And I don't take the caffeinated. And people told me the moment you're 40 years old, you need to reduce all your caffeinated drink because it's not good for your age. And seriously, it's not good for our ages. You know, it's not good for our age. I think it causes high blood pressure or something. I don't know the side effects, and I don't want to know. I just want to be enjoying my coffee till I'm 50 years old, maybe. God help me. And from age 50, I will cut off all the bad habits. Thank you, guys. I'm really sorry for that disconnection. Okay, Sister Emisi, I will cut it down. I'm trying to cut it down to like 4 cups a day now. So I've taken 2 cups of coffee, you know, today. As at this time. And I'll be going out now. And as I'm going out, I don't stop for anything in store first, other than coffee. I will go into Costa. I will go into any store that I see that they are still open for coffee. Grab 1 cup. I'm not a drink person, but coffee, even when it's sunny, very hot in the sun, I'm addicted to coffee. And when I come to your house, the only thing that you can give me that will put a smile on my face is when you make my coffee and you put Nigerian milk, not too much. You know, I'll say thank you. Oh my God, yes. Okay, I should taste the calf. I'll try the calf. The calf doesn't taste nice. You see me, I'm so bad. I've taken so much today. And that's my cup. I've had my coffee. Yes. So, thank you guys for offering me the drink. I'm not thirsty though. Yeah, thank you. So, as we were saying, you too, Bossade, Sister Bossade. Yes, so, I don't know, me and coffee, God help me, new. So, as we were saying, people, about the topic of the day, that we should learn to love over hating. There are some people that are even in the church and the same mosque as you, that you're supposed to be Christian brothers and sisters. They hate on you. They talk ill about you right in the church. If they follow you home once, just once, you see them, they will record everything they see in your house, in your family. Christian sisters and Muslim sisters now, and they will go and table it in a very bad way somewhere. And this on me, I wonder, are this one called my religious sister or brothers, or my religious killers? They are killers. They are killers. Okay, Kemisko, I know, said, how do you manage with? In Nigeria, no, I didn't joke with my coffee. I drink, if I go to Dubai, as hot as Dubai is, I will take my coffee. Seriously, I don't know how to, but you know, I'm trying to cut down on it. As hot as Dubai is, you know, there are some shop you go in Dubai, you know, that even they will offer you tea in all those olden days kettle, you know, all those iron carved kettle. That's how they serve you in Dubai. You enter their shop, the shops where they have AC, and you see all the Arabs, they sit on the floor, and they ask you, do you want coffee? And if you want, they serve you as hot as their country is. They still offer you that, you know, comfortability, you know, with your coffee demand. Seriously, I do get coffee in Dubai. That's not bad. I'll cut down on it. And when I'm thirsty, I go for cold drink. But seriously, my day is never completed without coffee. A cup or two. You know, anytime I guess it's just addiction. It's not that it's got any nutritional, you know, addiction to my body system or to my health. It's just addiction, bad addiction. Addiction, yeah. Okay, you would like to meet me face to face, Lara Adeyeri. Thank you very much. I'm in love with you, sis. Thank you, ma'am. So, as we were saying, that we come across all these evil people, even in our place of worship. You see, some people come to church and all they do is pinch each other, the next person sitting to them, their gossip accomplice, and say, see what Sister Kiniko is wearing. How much is it? Oh, is upon £100. She will be lying. And then they will leave their precious time to attend to such very sad, you know, thing. Because I see it like something very discouraging, very unhealthy and unethic, you know, topic for you to walk up to somebody and say, we like your top. How much did you buy it? Why do you ask people how much they buy things? Why do you want to know? It's crazy when people come to me and say, if you are my friend, it's a different thing. And you're not my friend. You just walk up to me and you're like, how much did you get that shirt of yours? Why do you want to know? And eventually, when the person is not gullible enough to answer you, it's £19. And they'll not say, £19. I said it. Because it looks like my own, but my own is not £19. I bought my own £89. What do you want to gain in such? What do you want to gain? What do you stand to gain? After the person told you she bought it for £19. And then next thing is, I bought mine for £89. Are you going to exchange your £89 with that of £19? Are you going to give her your own body to fit her own £90 one? Oyinbo shiasho ko she fitting. Oyinbo shiasho. When white men, when they make garments, they did not impute the fitting. That it is only for people that are slim or for people that are fat or for people that are facially pretty. No. A wretched person can have the figure that will fit into any expensive outfit out there better than the people that can afford it. You can pick a model from the street, just like our Omoni Brady Jumoke. They pick her from the street. And she has this body of a model. She has this beautiful figure of a model. And then, what's the lady's name that picked her from the street again? The one with big afro. And then she chose her over the rich, the elite that she has come across. She chose that Omoni Brady. Why? Because she's got this outstanding physique, this beautiful body that will showcase her handwork better than I want me. So it is bad belly, like Bolire said. Bad belly ni. Mora shoko ni 160. Morilara omokon TY. Thank you, Shola Konde. Morilara omokon, she didn't wear it well. So I'm just going to dump my own in the bin. It is bad spirit of envy. When Oyinbo do clothes, they didn't say these are the people that are to wear the clothes. It should go on anybody that it fits, regardless of your social status. Whether you are rich or you are poor or you are ugly or you are beautiful. Oyinbo shashoko she fitting. So why would you as a person now go behind you know, those innocent people and say, kilo wo? Ko le afford them, ma funny. Wọ́n ma funny na mo ge yen check. Why? Egbon gba ton bu mi bi ba àwọn giveaway Sunday tó ní o le ní designer we mi gbogbo designer ni mo ní. She can't even pronounce some of the designer names well on her show. I remember she called Chloe. She called Chloe some very bad, pronunciation like that. But yeah, Chloe or whatever. Cleo, but yeah, Chloe, ni be Cleo ni o. O sha pe jaga. Gbogbo wa n wo báyìí náà ni. Oyinbo ṣaṣọ kò ṣe fitting. Ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá dẹ̀ lóhùn máa gbéga ló máa gbéga. You don't have to hate on anybody. I remember when I went to Nigeria and I met one of my followers. I'm not going to mention her name. And I met her, a very simple appearing lady like that. She's one of those you will meet and you can easily just look down on. She looks so casual. She's a casual person. Just like me, anybody that knows me will tell you, Abike is a casual person. I love to be trendy casually. I'm a jeans person. Anytime, any day you see me on jeans, this is my jeans. You see? I'm a jeans person. And I have my trainers, you see? Let me show you my shoes. This is me, oh. This is my shoe, you see? I'm a jeans person. I'm wearing a crop jeans. I'm wearing an all-star trainers. And I'm wearing my casual shirt. And I'm about to hit the street. This is me. If you come across anybody like me, and you say, oh, you're just going to look down on them because they are not heavily dressed, because you can't see her carrying designer, because she... I mean, what message are you trying to pass? Are you trying to make that person feel little? Or you are trying to clothe them with your own designer? It's either of the two. It's either you're trying to kill the person's morale, or you're willing to pass your designers. And if you are not doing the two, then you have spirit of envy. And if you don't give her that second one, you giving her your designer to better what she's wearing, then you're just a bitter person naturally. You are just a naturally bitter person. And you can never get better. You will still hate on your own sibling. If your sister is doing better than you, you will hate on them. If your brother is doing better than you, you will envy them. We have seen siblings that hate and envy each other. Ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò. Why is she only the person that is coming, you know, out to assist us? Why can't it be me? Why is it that my junior sister or my junior brother that is always coming to my aid, helping me and helping my husband and my wife? Why can't it be me? After all, I am the number one in the family. That is spirit of envy and hate. You need to kill it. Embrace anything that is beautifully created by God around you. Because you never know. It may be that little sister, that little brother of yours that is going to pull you out of that situation. Don't hate on them. Encourage them. Love them. Try to tap a stronger strength. Draw your strength from them. Tell them, how did you do it, Aburomi? So as I was saying that I met this simple lady in Nigeria. She's one of us. She's somebody that I see very casually all around Facebook supporting me. And I didn't know who she is. I didn't know her family background. I don't know what she's what. And then when she came to see me in Nigeria, she came to see me in a cab. Taxi. And then she drove to me and then she came in a cab and she said, hey Jay, I'm one of your supporters. And I remember I was so happy meeting her. Me, I just see her just like my normal, you know, my normal self. Me, I embrace everybody. I embrace people of all caliber. Even if you are weary, I still embrace you. And then the lady came and then we got talking. Far younger lady than me. She controlled 5 shops. 5 different shops located in different areas. She controls 5 different stores of her own in Nigeria. At that young age. Far younger than me. And then she has 5 different shops situated all around Lagos. And I was taken aback. When we got talking and I got to hear about her family background and I saw her house, her parents' house, I was like, what? I could never have thought in my wildest dream. I don't look down on people, but she's such a very simple lady. She rarely wears makeup. She's, you know, she's so free-spirited. She's young. I am far older than her, like 10 years older than her. And she loves me so much. And when she came, I can't remember if she even had a wristwatch on like me. Even though me, I like all those my Panda wristwatch. This one is Swatch. And she just came casually with her Ankara jacket and her jeans. And then we got talking. And then we got talking. And then we got talking. And today as I'm speaking to you all, if I should call her, that I need to pay 2 million in an account and I can't sort it. Can you quickly pay for me from your account? I'll transfer it. She will. I'm telling you, she will. marathonly, let me use that word, vastly, speedily, do that 2 million into my account with all convenience, without feeling it. She may even say, don't bother to pay it back, but she knows I won't even come to her, because I know if I ask her anything, she will say, don't give me back. And you can never tell. You can't tell when you see her on the first sight. You can never tell that she can afford to do it, because she goes out so simple, so very simple. So why do we do things to oppress each other? Why do you have to carry a designer bag only for you to make some people feel little? It's okay for you to carry Hermes. Hermes is even bigger than most of our own. When you see some Hermes bag, when you go into Selfridges and you see some Hermes bag, Abike and you come across some designer bags that will be what from 4,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 and back. Oyibo carry it. Oyibo will carry it so simple on the jeans, on the train, and on the bus. Only the people that have good insight for good things will look beyond the line and say, oh, that's Hermes bag. Oh, that's a nice one. You never see Oyibo carry. Ti dudu bag gbe bagi. O ma gbe bag ke le ri ni pe so ti roruko e. Ori nkan ti mo gbe. Think in your head. Stop doing things to oppress people, to make people feel little around you. If you are making your money, you're making it for nobody. There's nobody you're feeding. Bury that ego of yours. Stop hating. Stop envying. Stop doing things to kill other people's morale. Stop doing things that will make your neighbors feel little of themselves. It's not good. Ọlọ́run go fi ọwọ́ sí. I am telling you. Along with forward seeing. Allow me pick this call. It's just a second. Hello. Hello. Yeah, actually here. Okay. From where? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I'm not able to talk now, but if you don't mind, I will be out of this appointment in just 10-15 minutes. Is it okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, about that. I'm sorry. So, as I was saying, if you are one of those people, you need to drop such attitude and behavior. Hence, you will be lovable by everybody around you too, because you have learned to embrace peace. You have learned to encourage people that are upcoming. Stop killing people morale around you. Stop envying on the poor ones. There are so many people that don't even have quarter of the things that you have, and yet you hate on them for being more beautiful, for being more vocal, for being more eloquent, for being more confident than you. We see a lot of people that you work with at your workplace, and then, let me look at the time, because I told that person to call me back in 10-15 minutes, and then you still envy them. You hate on them to the point of poisoning their food. Look at what happened. We heard about a lady that was poisoned. I think she lives in the States, in America, and then ordeal of how she got killed at work went viral late last year, and we learned from the information that we gathered that she was actually poisoned by a colleague or probably friend of hers. That would have been, you know, some very dead, deep spirit of envy eating that person up to the point of going to kill. All this fracas that we just survived on social media, or that we've been involved in, you think some of them don't want to kill me? They want to kill me. They wish to kill me. They wish to kill my children. They wish to see me actually fall and die. That's how much hatred and envy. Or is she the only one? Today she will come, she see 3,000 people. Today she will come, she see 1,000 people watching her. This is an ordinary day that I did not notify anybody that I'm coming. And we've had more than 1,000. The first video that cut now that we did, I have had over 22,000 viewers on it. The one we just did now that I've been doing with you all. Some people will even stage show and they will not see 5 people watch them. And they've been in the business for so long. I am not mocking them. It's just that we have to come to understand a lot of things in life, that it is not everybody that is me. What God will grant that person, He may not grant me because I am not good in that field. He's preparing another field for me where He's taking me, where my talent will be more showcased, loved, and appreciated. That is where He's taking me. So therefore, I should not hate on whoever it is working for. If your friend is taking her husband for a fool and is working for her, and she will just go since morning shopping about, and then her husband will come back and say, where have you been? And she say, I went shopping, Jokilo day. Why can't you fix your food yourself? Do you have to hate over that? What business of yours is that? If her husband takes it in, if her husband likes her like that, it's nobody's business. Why would you as a person not go and call the husband and say, oh, uncle, you are taking too much for that lady, oh, seriously. I can't stand the way she talks to you. You are a killer friend, an envious friend. The fact that is not working for you does not mean that it will not work for some people. Some people, God gave them their husband from heaven. And whether they do it bad or bad with their husband will always stand behind them. He cannot even watch you, the friend, come and slander them. The husband will fight you for them. Don't talk ill of my wife. Why if she doesn't prepare me food? What is your own business? Bad friend. You see, eventually, you get yourself disgraced and humiliated. Why? Because you haven't learned how to kill that envy spirit that lives in you. That envy spirit is what you have to fight against. If it's coming up like, oh, let me go and slander, let me go and call her husband, let me go and call his wife and tell him he has a girlfriend. Kill that spirit. Kill it. Oh, let me go to where they are supplying my friend in the market that they should not supply her again. Kill that spirit. Or let me go and ask our overall boss why they have to choose my junior over me at work. Why she's got to back the promotion before me. Kill that spirit. Probably your own promotion is coming in a bigger form. But the moment you encourage that spirit to destroy somebody else, your own will never come to pass. Láyé láyé. Inú ẹ ò dùn sí nǹkan rẹ̀ kó tó rí nǹkan rẹ̀. Pẹ́. When I look at myself, me, I just sit down, I laugh, I study. Everybody will come in. This one come, Abike Jagaban, we want to tell you something. I will say, mo ti gbọ́. That one will tell me, I say, mo ti gbọ́. Mo mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ràn mi dénú nínú wọn. Mo mẹ́ni tí ò fẹ́ràn mi dénú nínú wọn. Òun náà ṣe máa sọ pé ká rìn, ká ṣubú, ká wẹni tó máa ṣe ni ní pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dijú, ká ṣe bí ẹni tó ti kú, kẹ́ wo èèyàn tó máa sunkún ẹni. Ara àwọn tó rò pọ́n fẹ́ràn ẹ, wọn ò fẹ́ràn ẹ. Ìlara, owú àti hatred, ìwà ìkà, ìkórìíra ó wà ní ara wọn ju àwọn tó pè ní ọ̀tá lọ. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ lọ jùlẹ̀, ẹ lọ learn láti love. Tó bá jẹ́ àbúrò ẹ lọ́lọ́run fi ṣe olórí ẹni, á jẹ́ pé ògo ìdílé yín nìyẹn. Má bínú sí. I'm telling you, in every family, there's what we call ògo ìdílé. It could be a very young lady, young man, that God will grant that wealth that will cover the needs of everybody in the family. Learn to embrace that junior brother of yours. Learn to embrace that junior sister of yours that is making it. Encourage her. Draw your strength from her. Go to her. Àbúrò, ó yá kí ni mo lè ṣe? Ìwọ náà ló kú máa fún mi lówó, ó máa ṣàánú mi. But tó bá ti ní pé ọmọ òṣì yẹn, owó yẹn ló ń gùn. Ó tún máa ń bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ anyhow. Àbúrò olówó lòun bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ anyhow, ó ló fẹ́ pa. Lẹ́yìn kó gbá ká mọ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Tó bá bínú sí ṣo máa rí kọ́bọ̀ tó rí gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹgbà. I'm not asking you to sell your birthright, but do not hate. Do not make statements that will make her feel pé kí wá lẹ́gbọ́n mi wá ń sọ yìí. Ṣé mi kì í ràn yín lọ́wọ́ ni? Except for àwọn èyí tó bá lówó bóyá kò wá ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Tí ó bá dé ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà, gbàdúrà k'Ọlọ́run gbé wọn náà síbi ire. Gbàdúrà ẹ̀. Tó bá ti hate, tó envy ẹ̀, tó lọ máa bá ti ẹ̀ jẹ́, Ọlọ́run á ṣe bí àwọ̀ ṣe fún wọn náà. Don't say because somebody is so little to me, she's trying to boss me. Anybody can be your boss. God can choose somebody that is your child, your own child age mate, to be your overall boss. If you are hating, if you don't learn to bow your head, then you may never be able to reach that success, level in your life yourself. When you do some things and you try to set yourself up, you want to be selling, you want to be doing trading, and then you flash back and you remember how cruel, how mean, how wicked you have been to that employer of yours in the past. How you used to ridicule her because she's so young, you envy her. I'm telling you, it's waiting for you to, in your special field. Everybody you employ, they will hate on you. If you try to employ any senior person, they will hate you because it is what you have done to people in the past that they will surely do to you. We all have people that, you know, God just gave this special gift, the talent to boss. Like me now. Look at everybody around me. You know how many people are older than me that I am carrying along in this course? Some are my mother, as in old enough to be my mom. Some are older than my mom. Some are even old enough to be my grandma. I remember I used to have one man, Mr. Oluwafishe Okonlawon. He's about 80 years old. And he was one of the people that started with me. He lives in the States, but I can't remember his last name. But I know it's Mr. Oluwafishe Okonlawon. We started together. If only I can retrieve that my account that was closed down by Facebook, I would have remembered his full name. He is an old man. And he will support me. And he will keep saying my CEO. And one day he called me on video. He was a very old man and said, Tolulope, God bless you, daughter. I love you so much. You're doing very well. I was so touched. And he told me he had a radio house in America. And he will be willing for me to come over someday to do a free recording in his studio in America. And he said he's going to broadcast it for me. But he said, I don't want you fighting. I just want you doing something educative, just like what I'm doing with you guys right now. But then he jashi wa lara mi pe ejawa ejo osi gbogbo eyin ota aye Abike eyin te bully lórí social media. Kò tí ya mo son baba e mo ni ẹ lọ ní sùúrù baba. Tí n bá jagun itan ma padà wá. Now that I have missed the opportunity, but what I have done, my stability in the fight that gained me this fame, it has opened so many doors for me. So many doors of opportunities. Both from old and young. Both from some private company and some entrepreneurs. So many people. And you people will not get to see it until it starts to manifest soon. And then I'll start to announce it. So people, whatever it is you're doing, make sure you impute that genuine kindness and love towards everybody you come across in life. And it will sure bag you some good, fortune out there. You will reap it richly elsewhere. Your children will reap it also. It is what I have done. My kindness to people that I don't even know that fetched me all this. It's called good deeds. When you have good deeds, talent, and you're nice to everybody, you genuinely don't stage it. There are some people staging their feelings for me. They work with me and they are staging they love me, and I look at them and I know they are staging it because of their own selfish interest, because of one or two things that they want to gain. I was watching Mama yesterday and she was telling a lot of people that I know you people are staging show for me because you all want to be popular on my show. I heard that saying it. Same thing is happening to me. I know a lot of people that is pretending to be my friend just because they wanted to gain some fame on my medium. I don't even care. I'm not going to stop them. If the fame is actually meant for them, they will definitely be successful in this career. If it's not meant for them, if they came ulteriorly to get for their own selfish interest, then they will just die at some, prime stage, and that's the head of it. That's the end of it, So when you're born with it, when you're born to excel, when you're born to be you, when you're born to be that unique person that you are, nothing stops it. You will always fly high. You will always fly high and higher and higher. So let your feelings for people and your support for people be genuine. When I had a party and I saw a lot of people came out because of me, I was so happy. They show their faith. They say they want to get blocked. Let them get blocked. They don't mind. That is how much they love me. And I really do appreciate them in return. That is how life should be. At times, it's not everybody that you see behind your back that are actually staying there to support you. Some are even just standing there for that vacuum to be well noticed by the time you want to fall. So you can fall and make a loud noise. By the time they move back away from you, you will land and move. Baga! Oriya fole. Not to help you. You will initially think they are supporting you. No. is they want to make that your downfall sound so loud. So that oba fe subo wọ́n ma ye fún ẹ báyìí wá lálẹ́ ní gbola. Irú ka tí wọ́n jẹ́ nìyẹn. And so me, everybody I see, I call them friends. Deep inside me, I know who are my real friends. I know who are standing to gain something from me. I know who are not fighting. I know those people that are not standing to fight this cause with us. I know those people that are shekusha, they jump here, they jump there. They'll just pray to God, persevere, and learn to follow your instinct in life. And above all, learn to love. We can quench all this war going on in the world today if we start to embrace love, if we learn to love each other, if the Muslim come to love the Christian, if Christianity come to love Muslim, there will not be any religious conflict, there won't be any political conflict, there will not be any racism conflict. The world will be one. I remember that Michael Jackson song. Let's make a better place for you and I. You know that song? That we can come to love. Now the lyrics is just flying off my head. Pardon me. Make a better place for you and me. Etimori here now. Na 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 na. You know the song. I love that song so much from Michael Jackson. And I always sing it over and over again. If only we can follow the lyrics. And if we can encourage our children to learn to love. Yeah. We are the world. We are the children. Yes, we are the world. The lovers of the world are the ones that forms the world. So please, people, let's make ourselves the world by showcasing love towards each other. Learn to love your best friend genuinely. Stop envying the people that God has granted the grace to excel more than you. You never know when your own time is a sign for your own greatness, for your own success. The moment you learn to love those people that are celebrating now, your own celebration will be getting closer. It will be getting closer. But if you don't learn to love, you may never have anything good to celebrate yourself. So that's going to be my piece of advice, piece of word for everybody this morning. I do not have much to say. I may not be coming out as often as I used to. I am really busy right now. I'm working on a whole lot of projects to become a better person, you know. So, but I will still be coming out once in a while to entertain you. And if there's anything bothering you, if you're bullied out there, please remember that I still fight for that no cyberbullying of a thing. Cyberbullying is like you're violenting domestically, and you need to stop it. So if you happen to be a victim of domestic violence, or verbal violence, verbal abuse is equal to the domestic violence. It shouldn't happen. You shouldn't give a chance for it. So try and call me, inbox me on Facebook. My admin will come to read it and they will pass your message across. If I have not reverted to anything you've sent to me before now, kindly do so again. Keep doing it, pressurizing me. I will come to read it. Very soon we're going to have an email, that you guys can reach us on. So you can reach us on that email. You can reach us on Facebook Messenger. You can also contact my my mobile number 0744816638. Yes, I'm really gonna miss all of you too. I just need that time to myself. I'm so sorry, but then I'll be coming out once in a while. Kò ń ṣe tójó wọ́n ní tí kinní kan bá lóhùn òfin gbá mọ́sà lẹ́yìn tó ti fílẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò lè parun títí láíláí. So I dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ọba fún mi tó bá wa dé yìí. I'm so happy meeting you all. You guys have been really, really amazing. I've met so many incredible, personality on this medium. We're still friends. We talk on the phone. A lot of them are even on my private, phone, and we talk. Some of them are genuine and some of them are fake. But then my hands are always open to all asunder, like I used to say. So thank you so much, you guys, for giving me the privilege, the chance to share my, wisdom thought with you. Thank you so, so, so much. I will be coming across your way whenever I have the heart to do so again. Let me not, give you time. Like yesterday, I wanted to come out and I was so, tired. And I had to resume to bed earlier than normal time. Around 9 o'clock, I went to bed last night. Yeah, thank you. You saw me last Saturday. Thank you so much, Alaja Muinat. Thank you. Thank you, sis. I appreciate you, ma'am. Yes, thank you, Majonogbe. Thank you, sis. Thank you, Prince Neyo Yewale, my brother from another mom. Thank you so much for being a friend, everybody. Thank you. So let's not forget the topic of today. It can make a very different change, changes in the world. If we all embrace it, it can make, a massive change. So please, people, let's embrace it. Let's embrace it. Let's learn to love over it. Let's stop to envy. Spirit of envy, it destroys things. It debars you from your own progress. So thank you so much, Amabalale. A million kisses to you too, my sister. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Oyewale. Thank you, everyone. I kiss you all back a million. So I gotta go and I've got an appointment. Hopefully my call will meet me, on the way. I have to go. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. Bye now. Bye-bye.